How to manage loan and advance paid to the employees. Click on loan and advance. Click on advance payment. Click on employee. Click on new. Click here the advance payment date and deduction from salary from which month and paid amount. Number of installment means in how much month he will return the money. Suppose 5 months. Installment amount will be calculated automatically. Select the approved by and select the remarks. Click on save. Advance entry will be saved. And this installment amount like 2000 will be deducted per month from the salary month of November 2025. Thank you.